What's going on, guys? My name's Colton, aka JDM Supreme. I've got a 1993 Mazda RX7, also known as an FD, with us here today. It was formerly known as the Falcon RX7. It is the one that started it all. This car was built by ex-driver Tony Angelo for the Formula Drift Series back in 2003. His buddy and himself, Chris Forsberg, had built this car back in the early 2000s. It had fallen off the grid somewhere around 2009, 2010, and had been picked up by a YouTuber at that time and had just done it for just light promotional stuff. Went on to film in a couple music videos with Travis Scott and a Cactus Jack, and here it is today. I'd restored the vehicle. It took me roughly a year to bring it back to its former glory. Ironically enough, Tony is here today, and it'll be the first time that he's seen this vehicle in almost 20 years. So underneath the hood is the original 13-beat ported engine. It's making roughly 600 horsepower. It's got all of the stitch welded chassis all the way through the front of the subframe, cross member, and the tower supports, as it should, period. And all of the paint on the inside of the vehicle is original. So it was kind of like a process not to over-restore the vehicle, keep it original as it was raced. And yeah, it's still hanging on for dear life.